Here's another quick video on how to light an atmospheric vent Bradford White water heater. When you look at this gas valve, it's not super intuitive. Now, the directions are right here. But if you'd rather just watch a YouTube video, make sure the gas is on and then push this big black knob to allow gas to go down the pilot tube and in. And then you're going to click this clicker. Sometimes it takes a little while. This thing I just put in, so there's obviously a little air in the lines, but that should get your pilot lit. Then you just wait a few seconds till the status light comes on telling you that the thermopile is satisfied and you're good to turn up the temperature. There's the click, there's the light. Now you can release and then turn this up. Ooh, there she goes.